Amidst the vibrant chaos of Galilee, Jairus frantically navigates the crowded street, his face a mask of desperation. The bustling market teems with bartering voices and everyday commerce, a stark contrast to Jairus' inner torment. His eyes scan the throng, desperately searching for a single familiar face. Each step is fueled by a father's urgent plea, cutting through the clamor of the marketplace. The sounds of the city fade as his determination intensifies. Driven by the hope of finding Jesus, amidst a sea of faces, Jairus spots Jesus teaching, his heart pounding with a desperate plea. Ignoring his dignity and the judging eyes of the crowd, Jairus falls to his knees before Jesus. In a voice choked with emotion, Jairus cries out, "My little daughter is dying. Please, come and heal her so she may live." The crowd watches in hushed anticipation, every face turned towards the unfolding drama. Under the scorching sun, Jesus and Jairus struggle through a sea of bodies, their path heavy with anticipation. Messengers, cloaked in grief, appear on the horizon, their words shattering the fragile hope. "Your daughter is dead. Don't bother the teacher anymore." Jairus stumbles, his spirit crushed by the messenger's grim proclamation. In a moment of divine reassurance, Jesus speaks with unwavering resolve. "Do not fear, only believe." The home echoes with the cries of mourners. Sorrow permeates every corner. "À Jésus entoure, à profond silence descend." Jesus calmly states, "She is not dead, but asleep." The mourners stare at Jesus, their expressions shifting from grief to confusion. An unsettling stillness hangs in the air, heavy with unspoken anticipation. In the faint light of the room, Jesus enters, followed by Peter, James, John, Jairus, and his wife. Dust motes dance around the lifeless girl, her form still and pale. Her parents stand frozen, their faces etched with sorrow and disbelief. Jesus kneels beside her, his touch gentle as he clasps her cold hand, the silence amplifying the weight of grief. In the hushed room, Jesus' voice echoes, charged with divine power. A wave of palpable energy shimmers, enveloping the still form on the bed. Her chest rises, almost imperceptibly at first, then with gathering strength. Color returns to her face, chasing away the pallor of death. She sits up, reborn, as her parents gasp in astonishment, tears streaming. Jairus and his wife collapse into an embrace, tears of disbelief and joy painting their faces. Their daughter stands radiant, the specter of death lifted. Reborn into the warmth of life's embrace, the disciples witness the impossible, their faces reflecting a mixture of awe and profound understanding. Jesus' serene countenance radiates a gentle strength, a beacon of hope amidst the joyous chaos. The house transforms into a symphony of celebration, the echoes of mourning replaced by the vibrant melodies of life reborn.